Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about inheritance. So, inheritance allows us to create classes which are derived from other class. But so why we create these types of classes? We create these types of classes so that they automatically include the members of their parent class, plus we can also create members of their own. Okay, this is the benefit of using inheritance. With respect to inheritance, we should know two types of classes. One is base class and another is derived class. Base class is a class from which other classes are derived. Okay, these base class is also called parent class or superclass. And derived class is a class which is derived from base class, and derived class is also called children class or subclass. Okay, so inheritance is a very useful thing. So why it is useful? It includes reusability. Let us suppose we have created one class, we can create another class using that class with the help of inheritance, which includes the reusability concept. And another thing, while using inheritance, we should know base class is more general class while derived class is more specific. What does this means? Let us take a look at the example how we can use inheritance. From that we can know what is more general and what is more specific. First of all, we should create a base class shape. It is general class shape. Then we create two different classes from our base class, one dimension class and two dimension. One dimension is more general than shape, more specific than shape, as shape can be of two types, one dimension, two dimension, or it can be of three dimension. Okay, it is two dimension and it is three dimension. Okay, then we have created two further classes, circle class and square class from two dimension class, and cube class and sphere class from three dimension class. It makes more specific from the general shape class. Okay, this is inheritance. In the shape class we create only several things, and in the two dimension and three dimension class we create things which are useful for shape, and in the circle, square, cube and sphere we create the specific things. Okay, so this is how we can use the inheritance, and this arrow shows the relationship. Okay, this is about inheritance. Thank you very much.